Hey, get away, Alex here. Let's live one day today in a hostel in Brazil, in some random place called Barra Da Lagoa, Florianopolis. If you're up to this experience, let's go. So one day for me, around 10-15 minutes for you, and I'm gonna show you what I see on the way, what I'm doing and stuff. Now right now it's morning, it's 9 in the morning. I just finished surfing. I'll show you a little bit later how the surfing rental looks like in a hostel. I'm with a backpack for a reason, because I need to repair my backpack because I'm leaving tomorrow, and of course I waited for the last day to repair the backpack. You know, the I don't know how to call this. This one needs to be repaired. Otherwise, I need to buy a new one. By the way, very nice sushi buffet. So the video is for those of you who considering Brazil as their destination, but you for some reason hesitating. Again, if you plan everything nicely and then you know where you're going, it's pretty safe and nice environment. The place that I'm looking, I think, should be here. I think it is here. Yeah, in this Galleria Barra da Lagoa, I found a repair store. Well, somebody from the hostel, they told me that this is the place to repair your clothes. Well, I need to repair my backpack. They told me it's gonna cost 40 reais. I already paid for it, which is around what, $7-8, and it should be done in the afternoon. They will message me. So, village Barra da Lagoa, the main attraction is the beach. Obviously, you can surf here, and it's around 1 hour drive with a bus, maybe a little bit up to 1 hour 30 minutes to this village. And on this channel there's already a couple of videos me shooting on the go from here. Now another thing that I have to do right now, I need to do the money exchange. Apparently I exchanged too much of a dollar, so I want to exchange my reais back. I think I should have enough for like $100, and that's what I want to do. Then in the center also there's like a cambio and a little bit of a vibe, village vibe. It's nice day, as you see. The sun is not there, so it's not that hot. Nice, pleasant walk. That's talking about the bus. Looks like a nice gym. I didn't go to the gym last 11 days because we have a little gym in our hostel, plus I was doing a lot of activities, so I kind of cover it. But gym is important. My second option, I was thinking, you know, I can easily buy one of those just in case. A little bit of architecture for you on the way. So maybe you're struggling, or you're thinking, should I go to Brazil, should I not, in 2025 or maybe 2026, whenever you are watching this. You definitely should go. Brazil is one of my favorite countries to visit, and the people are very nice. And again, that depends where you go. But in this place, like a little village, you know, super tranquilo, super nice, very safe, you know. Look, this is the vibe of the center. They're offering the parking here, you see. And there should be a cambio, a little bit of a central part of Barra da Lagoa. That's where the most things going on, more shops, coffee shops, stores and stuff, restaurants. It says money exchange, but looks like everything is closed, so no luck. All right, classic touristic van. Oh, the lady there told me that she's gonna open in about 15 minutes. It means I have time to do some coffee. The menu of the art cafe, where I decided to stop before I'll figure out something with the money. So I'm gonna treat myself with some coffee. Coffee is done. Now I'm gonna go and do the money exchange, hopefully. And the coffee took too long because I just find out that my host somehow canceled my reservation. As he explains, there was something with my card, but I don't have any restrictions, so I don't understand. Anyway, I was able to book last minute for tomorrow. Great news, but overpay a bit, but it is what it is. I don't want to stress because of that. It's got the money exchange. It was very easy. I bought $100 for 600 reais. It's basically the same price that I was doing exchange in Floripa. Super easy. I'm back to hostel. After figuring out all my bookings and reservation, I decided I'm gonna eat something and get a coffee. Usually I'm ordering something there from the cafe. There's a little restaurant. But today, my last day, I still have plenty food that I bought, so I decided I'm just gonna cook a little bit. Since I'm leaving tomorrow, you see even the weather. The weather is crying, so I decided I'm gonna stay by the pool and just chill. My last acai. Ilha do Campeche, you see the boat to Ilha do Campeche. I heard very popular excursion. And me, I'm on the way to pick up my bag. They texted me that it's ready. Each and every time I'm passing by this sushi place, 75 reais, which is like 12-13 bucks. You can eat as much as you want. It's like a buffet where the sushi is main ingredient, but they do have much more options, and there's a lot of kinds of sushi for vegetarians as well, and not only sushi. Again, they have some other options, and I love it. A little bit of an afternoon vibe. There's more videos about this place, me walking around. Check them out in a Brazil playlist. And I'm back to Galeria Barra Da Lagoa for my backpack, which is right here. See, all done. Backpack almost like new. Here you go. There was this parts. You see these parts right here. These triangles were torn. The only thing I have to do now, I need to pack my backpack. Well, as much as possible, because I'm leaving early in the morning. I already booked an Uber, 5:30. It should take around 35 to 40 minutes to get to the airport. And at 7:40, I'm gonna fly back to Buenos Aires. And there's more videos of Buenos Aires on this channel, so you can check it out. This looks good. This property looks good. I believe this is like a little parking here, because it's a little bit of a challenge with the parking here. So keep that in mind coming to Barra da Lagoa. By the way, there is a video about the hostel where I'm staying. By this time you watching this, the video should be done, because I'm editing it today. That's the entrance to the hostel, and right there, further down there, I noticed there's some development going on in case you want to invest. Couple of interesting details from the hostel. Again, if you're interested in a room tour of the hostel, check out a couple of videos on the channel. You see, on my last day, they also doing some renovation of this. So a lot of things going on in the hostel, and that's great. And that's the way to the beach. That's where I was doing massage. That's where they do yogas and stuff. And today's the last day, and look at the weather. Not the best one, but at least it's not raining, you know. I actually want to check right now if I can do the surfing, because I rented out surf for the whole day. In the morning was okay, but right now, not sure. All right, let's see the beach vibe on some random Tuesday and not very sunny day. I actually don't see any surfers. As you see, the beach cannot be completely empty. If you want to see how many people were here on sunny day during the weekend, check my one of the previous videos here on the channel. Yeah, I don't feel like surfing at all. I don't think the waves are good for surfing, and I don't see any surfers, to be honest. So I think I might leave the phone in the hostel. That's one of the privileges of the hostel, and now I'm gonna go and say bye-bye to the ocean by swimming in it for a bit. hostel. People chilling there. Some guys are chilling here. Yeah, last day vibe. It's because of the weather as well. Looks like even the weather is crying big time because I'm leaving. 5:30 in the morning. My Florida story ends, but the new one begins. It was around 40 minutes Uber drive and it cost $9. I love this airport in Floripa. Very small but very modern. New, maybe was renovated. Anyway, it looks good. Looks good, nice, fancy, I would say. That's how it looks. Don't forget to check the other videos from different parts of Latin America on this channel. Quick overview of the airport. That's the second floor, or I mean the first floor where departures are. Check-in and departures. And they have some exhibition here. But anyway, this is the ending of my Floripa story, and it means that's the beginning of some new story here on my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.